Welcome to the Legal School. If you are a law student, fresh graduate, or even a working professional wondering how to earn from your legal skills right now, this video is for you. Hi, I'm Neelam Kejriwal, and I'll be taking you through 7 freelance legal work opportunities that you can start with minimal resources and strong skill set. Let's get right into it. First up is legal drafting and contract work. This is one of the most in-demand freelance services in the legal space. Start with NDAs, freelance contract, or licensing agreements. These are commonly used in business and creator collaborations. The best part, you can charge anywhere between 10,000 to 15,000 per documents, sometimes even more depending on the complexities. You don't need expensive software either, just Google Doc and solid knowledge of contract drafting principles. Focus on precision, clarity, and customization. That's what clients value. Next up is trademark filing services. The one's perfect for anyone who wants to specialize in. You can offer trademark searches, filings, and even help responding to objections over time. With startups, influencers, D2C brands becoming in India, this is high demand niche. You can offer trademark searches, filings, and even help respond to objections over time. With startups, influencers, and D2C brands booming in India, this is a high demand niche. You can charge around 15,000 per filing, sometimes even more when bundled with search and consultation. To get started, learn the trademark process, register yourself on IP India's portal, and you're good to go. If you are someone who reads case laws or simplified legal jargons, then legal research and content writing is tailor-made option for you. From law edtech companies to firms and legal blogs, everyone needs writers. You can earn approximately 20,000 to 30,000 per month working remotely and on your own terms. Deliver crisp, reliable, and well-researched pieces, and you will get repeat clients quickly. Next is compliance and privacy work. It is gaining a lot of traction. The startups and digital platforms are looking for privacy policies, term of use, basic compliance document. If you want to go global, you can even explore data privacy freelancing. Many international businesses outsource this work. The project rates are anywhere from 15,000 to 40,000 depending on the scope and client location. If you are into tech and law, this could be a game changer for you. Number 5 is legal blogging and content writing. If you love following new bills, trademark rulings, and commenting on Supreme Court cases, then this is your space. There are platforms like PRS Legislative Research, Manupatra, Legal EdTechs, and even traditional law firms who are ready to pay you to write case summaries, legislation explainers, and blog posts. It builds your online authority and income all at once. Sixth on our list is legal editing and proofreading. You can work as a freelance paralegal editor, helping others polish research paper, legal articles, dissertation, or client memos. The payout is around 5,000 to 25,000 per document, depending on complexities and word count. For this, law students, professors, and independent lawyers are your target client. Finally, a unique one is LinkedIn legal ghostwriting. In this, you are writing LinkedIn posts, articles, or thought pieces on behalf of busy lawyers or legal educators. Think of it as the legal version of content marketing. You stay behind the scene, but your words build someone else's brand. You can charge on a monthly retainer or per post. Many professionals pay good money for consistent, well-written posts. So which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comment, and if you have already tried one of these or many more of these, share your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss practical legal career content from the Legal School. And if you are looking for detailed training on any of these freelance options, stay tuned. We have got boot camps coming soon. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and explore the law beyond the courtroom.